Amiable, an agile, ambitious, and modern company focused on creating a better future every day. Located in Palghar and Wada in Maharashtra and Jamnagar, Gujarat, Amiable is a leading manufacturer and exporter of copper bonded rods. For more than a decade, Amiable has been providing outstanding products and services, developing new technologies and new innovations, maintaining the highest level of quality, and impacting the environment in a positive way. The dedication to provide best products and service has earned Amiable the trust of one of the biggest players in power industry, earthing and lightning industry, transmission and substation industry, electricity distribution, telecommunication industries, railways and solar industries, to whom Amiable brings quality assurance, on-time delivery and high customer satisfaction. The company has in-house metallurgical lab with spectroanalysis and microscopic analysis, mechanical lab with Brinell hardness testing machine and transverse load testing machine, and chemical lab. Amiable has a 24 hours power supply with additional backup of generator for uninterrupted functioning of factory. Let us look at the manufacturing process of copper bonded rods. Amiable is an ISO 9001, ISO 45001 and ISO 14001 certified company. And all the products are RoHS and CE compliance. Amiable has supplied products to more than 1,000 customers across 60 countries and aims to become a market leader in manufacturing copper bonded rods. Since foundation, the company has grown through continuous development, maintaining highest quality, working with integrity, bringing positive impact on environment, and believing in future possibilities. Amiable, creating a better future every day.